Hi guys, in this demo, I'm gonna show you how to play Roller Splat on PC using a power mirror. To begin, install the program both on your phone and computer. Launch the program and make sure that your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi server. On your iPhone, open a power mirror and tap the M blue button to enable detection. Select the name of your PC and tap Phone Screen Mirroring. Now open the control center, then go to Screen Mirroring option to select your PC and start mirroring. After that, you can now enjoy playing Roller Splat on your computer. You may switch to full screen view by pressing this button. You can also take screenshots and record the on-screen activity of your mobile device to your computer. To take a preview of the recorded screen, just tap the same icon and click Open Folder. Once you're done playing, go back to Control Center and hit this button to stop mirroring. And that's how you play Roller Splat on PC. Thank you for watching!